Today we're going to go check on Jesse. We're going to give him some grain, see how he's doing. He's been trotting around quite a bit here lately. He's in a lot better mood. He's eating a lot better. And we're going to check on my honeybees. So we'll probably go check on the bees first, and then we'll go check on Jesse. And we're going to check on my honeybees. So we'll probably go check on the bees first, and then we'll go check on Jesse. And I got to feed the pigs and all that stuff, so I'll bring you guys along. All right, bye. Well, I'll do what Okie Rob said. We'll look into them hives tomorrow if we get a chance. If not, we'll do it Saturday. But next 2 days, we're going to be getting in them hives for sure and see what's going on. Might just end up putting a honey super on there. We'll see. You guys can see that Jesse's ready to eat. These two sheep will not leave him alone. So I put the bucket up high to see if he'll eat off of it. I've seen him do it a couple times before. It's kind of a hassle putting these sheep up every day, but I'm going to have to do it if Jesse just won't eat out of that bucket up on the fence, but we'll see. Jesse. 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 Jesse.
And then I'm going to release our pen that has all the lambs in it. All the lambs in it. And we'll videotape that and see what they do. See how they interact with that hive down there. Now, we want to see if they'll jump on it or rub on it. Let's get into it. Lambs in it that are being weaned, and the current really young lambs in their ewes. So here we go. They're going to come down the pasture. Trump is with them today as guard dog with this group. We rotate them. And the complainer, she does not like having any of the dogs near her little lamb. She just showed him. And here we go. Typically what will happen is the lambs will go out for a while. They'll eat for just a short period of time while the ewes eat, and then they'll start playing. So I'm going to go ahead. Well, let's see. They might get right into it. Here we go.
Wanted to look into the bees and talk to Okie Rob a little bit and show you guys Jesse. Jesse's been getting mad at these sheep because they just won't let him eat alone. They're buddying up though. They're running around laying together and stuff, but they're more interested in feed than anything. It is crazy how they're acting. I'm telling you. But, all right, guys. Hey, tomorrow.
Back. Come on. It's naughty. You're not allowed in here. Move. Come on. Go. Not that way. Go. Shh. Come on. Back through the fence. Yeah, take your time. You naughty girls. Yeah, but